um Today's video will be a different types of video. It is not related to solar. I have this box here. I'm going to unbox that box today to show you guys what I'm doing, what I have in the box. Let's open the box. Let's see what's in the box. I have my knife with me. Open the box and we'll see what's in the box. That will be a different series of video. It's not related to solar. So hold on, let me put on the camera. Let me try to open the box. Because actually I'm holding the phone with my hand. And then I have to open the box. I cut all the cut strips. I cut all the cut strips around the box. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, open the box. Oh, here we have the manual. We have the sprocket. Okay, let's put this away. Okay. All right. Okay, to this, I'm building a motorized bicycle. So I ordered an engine to put on it. So at least I can use it to around the place, so I can get a few things done around the place. There's the tank. The throttle, the handlebar, and we have the chain. Okay. And here is the engine. It is a two-stroke engine. Two-stroke engine, 80 cc. Let's put it away. The gas tank cover. Okay, let's see if there are more things in there. Okay, there's nothing under there. So we have another box on the side. Okay, the other box have all the goods in there. You have a cable. That most likely probably the cable for the throttle. There's another one again. Okay, the first cable is for the clutch, and this one is for the throttle. Okay, these are the stuff to install the sprocket into the axle of the bike. It comes with the spark plug, the bolts, the socket to unscrew the spark plug. You have the chain for the the filter in there. Okay, the cable is for the clutch. Okay. There's more stuff in there. Okay, actually this is the clutch. All right, and we have the clamp for the exhaust muffler. See it? The kill switch to turn off the engine. Okay. The carburetor. Alright, that's what it's like. Okay, so there'll be a different series of that. So when I install it on the bike, I'll be making some videos while I'm installing it, and probably when I'm gonna try it to see how it performs. Okay. Yes. Okay. This is the chain tensioner. And then inside there's the CDI. Okay. And the CDI and the stuff where to plug the spark plug to the cylinder of the engine. There is the exhaust pipe. Let me take it off from the back so I can have a clear view of it. I use it as the muffler, as the exhaust pipe. And the chain guard.